Hold on. Oh, hold yourself up. You're falling. You hear another bird up there. Oh, you got your claw in me. Oh, goodness gracious. He's watching that little guy right there. Oh, I don't think he'll be able to resist all this. Oh, boy. Oh, shit. I scared them away. Oh, he's flipping his tail. Well, if you just relax, they'll come back. And you can have a race. It's okay. Oh, they're leaving. Sorry, bud. Oh, so, what are you doing? Oh, I gotta get back to work, yo. Yeah, I know you're comfy, but I gotta get back to work. Oh, baby. Georgie, he just wants to lounge in my lap today. That's all he wants to do. It's just be loved and lounge. I was out there working, and then he just came and just would not let me stop loving on him, so I knew what he wanted. As soon as I turned around and started heading for the greenhouse, boy, he beat me to it, and he was sitting on the stool that my feet are on right now, waiting for me to get in my chair so he can climb in my lap. Oh, I just love this boy so much. He never looks at the camera. He's like totally camera shy. Georgie, hi. Hi, handsome. Oh, what is that? He needs a bath. I did love him so. Him's my baby. My pretty baby. Georgie, I love you. Okay.